Alright everyone, we're back. So we did the caulking all the way around, I believe, I hope. So now we're just going to unscrew. Sometimes those loosen themselves up on their own. Just unscrew those. Hopefully the toilet underneath here or the ground and everything underneath here is gonna be okay. I could have trimmed these bolts off a little bit, just taken a Dremel and cut it, but I didn't. There's no reason to have them this long, really. But at any rate, that's neither here nor there. Okay, ooh. Oh boy. This could be interesting. The wax. Now this toilet was giving me trouble, and that's why I'm replacing it. It would clog quite frequently. Whereas my newer toilet I have, which is a less volume flush toilet, I've never had a clog. Never had any problem with it. And I'd have to use the plunger quite frequently on this one, so I'm hoping that it's not going to look just like a giant mess underneath here, but I see wax under there. So, you know, really, I don't know what to expect when I lift this thing up, because I can see wax there as well come up. So you could be in for a treat when I lift this thing. So going to lift this thing, I recommend, so get all your stuff out of the way, your nuts and bolts and all that from what you did earlier. Take your washers and your stuff, move those. You want to reuse those for the next toilet. I like this, they're all stainless steel, so I want to keep hold on that. So the bolts are all stainless steel. So what you want to do, from my limited experience, is you want to get a large plastic trash bag, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and lay it out on the floor over this. We're gonna lift this straight up in the air, like carry it over, and we'll have the trash bag positioned in such a way where we can drop it right into the trash bag, because you're gonna have water in there. I don't care how much you swab it out or whatever, you're gonna have water in there, and the thing's kind of heavy. So you're gonna be tracking that through your house. So get a large, heavy duty, like those, I don't know, yard trash bags that hold leaves and all that. Get a heavy duty one of those, the really big ones, and lay that out on the floor. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna show you how to do that real quick to minimize leakage and that all over your house. So we'll be right back.